Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, class.
Good evening, Malim.
Welcome to our session today. Our unit of competence is technical drawing. Technical drawing. And our session title for today is bisecting angles. Angles and lines. Before I write the learning outcomes, let me take the roll call. Ezra,
Present.
Brim,
Present.
Victor,
Present.
George.
Present.
Okay, so you can see you are all in. So the learning outcomes, the objectives for today are by the end of this session, each learner should be able to, number one, define bisector in terms of angles and lines. Number two, demonstrate bisecting of lines using a compass and a ruler. Number three, demonstrate the procedure of bisecting angles using a compass and a ruler. So I hope you came with your drawing instruments.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So I'm going to begin with the definitions. So can someone define the term line bisector? Yes, Murid.
Line bisector is a line that divides another line into two equal parts.
Two equal parts. Can you appreciate him? What about angle bisector? These are familiar terms. Yes? Angle bisector, yes? Yes, dividing an angle into two portions. Okay?
Yes.
Appreciate it. So we are going to start with line bisector. So I have drawing papers here. In groups of two. Okay, mount your papers on the drawing tables. You also have your T-squares, right?
Yes.
You know how to mount a paper? Okay. So, yes, as you continue mounting your papers, let me draw a line here. I'm going to demonstrate, so you will also do the same. Okay? Draw any line, a straight line, an horizontal line, a horizontal line. Okay? I have a starting point. A starting point A. From A, I want a length 10 centimeters, which is 100 millimeters. You take your compass, using your straight edge, like this, then you measure 10 centimeters. Okay?
Yes.
Using this length, come to your starting point, make an arc on your straight horizontal line. Let's call it B. This is 10 centimeters, which is equivalent to 100 millimeters. Okay? From there, I want to bisect this line AB into two equal portions. So, using your canvas, any distance, come to your starting point, make an arc above, also make an arc below. Okay? Come to point B, make an arc above, make an arc below. If they are not intersecting, using the same distance, come to your starting point A, elongate your arcs. You can see they intersect, right?
Yes.
You take your straight edge, for you take your ruler, then your middle points where the arcs intersect, make a straight line. Make a straight line. So you can see this portion here is equal to this portion here. So this one is 5 centimeters, this one is 5 centimeters. Let me see what you have done. This is very nice, Makori. Very nice. Now write the dimensions here in centimeters, or millimeters. Yes, very nice. Okay, now I will ask my fellow trainer to come take you in the third learning outcome, which is bisecting angles. Bisecting angles using the drawing instruments that you have. Good evening, class.
Good evening.
So, as my colleague has taken you through the line bisector, I want to take you through the angle bisector. So, who can remind us what's an angle bisector? Yes, Arnold?
Yes, angle bisector is the angle that divides another angle into two equal parts.
Okay, that's good. Clap for him. Yeah, so when you want to bisect an angle, let's say we have this angle, we made a 90 degrees angle, right? So when you want to bisect an angle, you push your canvas at the center of the vertex and you open it more than half the distance of that line, alright? More than half the distance. So standing here, you make an arc there, there. And at this arc that you have made, you send out your canvas, you make another arc, the same way, make an arc right there. So now, the next step is to use your ruler, whatever you have, straight edge. You join this where they intersect with the center of the vertex. Where the arcs intersect with the center of the vertex. And there you have your angle bisector. So when you bisect a 90 degrees angle, what angle do you obtain? So you have a 5 angle degree or 5 angle. So before we finish our session, I want us to review what we have learned. So we have learned about bisecting a segment and an angle. So can you remind us what's a line bisector? Yes, Ezra.
A line bisector is a line which cuts a line into two equal parts.
Okay. Let's clap for him. So I can see most of you have done your work right. Let me give you the assignment. So assignment. Aren't you using a ruler? Using a ruler and a compass. Construct a triangle and bisect its angles and sides. So that's the assignment, it's 10 marks. and the class rep will correct them during the next session. So I want to collect my instrument that I gave you. So we can meet next time and have a nice weekend. You too.